Tibet namo ani lami Great Kingdom Chebe andimo it is located at the west of the Tibet. 1720 AD nalu ani the king imbe ani place nalu and he became very powerful and rich. Tibet dulu alugaya madime. Following the advice of the priest, Kogi Kenchulu offering ceremonies and help out poor people ani subenu. Obviously, alugitenlu ani beruya year passed and gap ki banze gaya josnu. Tiberuya son did not appear. Anale nothing else to offer in the kingdom, and king decided to obtain the legendary wish-fulfilling jewel. After the long time and difficult journey, wish-fulfilling jewel has finally been obtained. On the way back at the northwest border of the land, great Sochina multicolored lotus Meto China allo 8 years Bemi holding a Vajra and lotus in his hand. King took the boy and sent Padmasambhava, the lotus born Sinanu. Kingi Padmasambhava, only son Bendigi, Reva the rich Bombay Kedenu. However, Padmasambhava, who was already an accomplished practitioner, didn't want to rule the kingdom. Kokorara Hagunu, he would be unable to truly serve the others and bring the spiritual benefits. Then Kogi kingdom pani Yogi Benise Tachenu, but he was refused. Kogi Karma Thoni ki power idome. Lempo zopchi bu shirenu kogi sheshime dile logdira lower lelem nalu lokeni me session. So Padmasambhava accidentally turned drop Peyasnu while he was dancing on the palace roof. Ani lempo gi bulu podi gi be koshisunu. Then ko liberate and reborn in the Buddha's film. Society Mimitsugi Mashevar ko kingdom le band bejano dear forever. But ko free and ready yasnu to truly dedicate his life to the Dharma. Then Kogi practiced Beni start Benu Vajrayana at the crimination ground. Anale great level na power of the and blessed Benu by the Dakins. Dele miracles ya perform betsun. However, na future nalu chesulu help Beni then he decided to receive all the level of form of Buddha's teaching. Then he received ordination and anale ani lami title di topome Mitsuki Garagi ko ani lami ki title na non bevembe. Kogi sutra teaching related with the part of reincarnation gahara labnu. Then inner and outer tantras related with the part of transformation suhabnu. Lastly, Dzogchen teachings related with the part of self-liberation ya habnu. Such a habchi gahara shinu and experience the vision of deities without needing to practice. Anale ko famous yasuno under the name of, as you notice people, I'm not pronouncing the names because I might pronounce it wrong. So finally Kogi Gara Hapte truly powerful Siddhas Najusun. Then Padmasambhava gi ko desa gi place the Indian nalu teaching start Beni se decide Benu. So ho gi place ki ani be. Te Kogi kingi daughter che do me. Ani gi tsendi Mendarawa se juembe. Seeing she had all the qualifying marks, Padmasambhava took her as a spiritual consort and support in practice. Then they went to the cave known as Dyanale Buddha Amitas Labmi teaching practice purely. After 3 months of practice, Padmasambhava and Mindarawa had a vision of Amitas and realized mortality. Then Kora Hemagi Kingdom Nalu Dharma teach Beni se Jino. Kingdom gi border cross Peuch Lempo gi Shete Lempo along with the some town people tied up Padmasambhava and Mendarawa then Shingda while Subadi to burn them alive. 21 days jo Midi stop be matuba Mitsugara Joti Ulakara Jamatsube. Then King gi Shedi King Korara Jenu to see the miracles. Then King Jotaudolu Padmasambhava and Mendarawa sitting on the lotus flower cool and fresh adorned with the garland of skull. Anale ani place ki Mitsu Padmasambhava lu follow Benu whole kingdom in Buddha Dharma. Anale he became to known as the powerful lotus of the garland of skull. King Shusong Detsin became very interested in practicing Dharma. So he decided to spread Dharma in the whole Tibet. So Kogi Budampara particular temple will be new, the true place for the three jewels. The temple of Samye king had laid the foundation for Samye monastery in 1763 AD to spread the Buddhism in Tibet. Invited the great Pandita, also known as Master Bodhicitta, who gave sutra teaching then start in Tibet. Local deity the spirit began to create obstacles so such as disease, flood, storm, hail, and famine. Ani monastery na Dena la Gachiberu Chiruna Local spirit Hugi era dismantle Bejano. Any process was impossible so Kogi King Lushunu, great king, Although I know all the sutras teaching without expectation, I mastered Bodhicitta. It seems I still cannot do anything. However, in the cave of Anina, on the border side of India and Nepal, lives a truly powerful Mahasiddha named Padmasambhava. If you invited him to Tibet, he will fulfill your aspiration and subjugate the local spirit with the lawful means. Anale Padmasambhava Tibet Nalu Juno.